Hello friends, welcome back to IQ Nest. In today's video, we would be discussing about various chemical processes in chemistry. So this will be the part 4, and in the previous video we already discussed about metallurgy process in chemistry, and in other videos, that is part 1 to part 3, we already discussed about atom model, periodic table and various elements in periodic table. So if you haven't watched those videos, please do watch, and if you like it, please subscribe our channel and support us. So without further delay, let's start with today's topic, various chemical processes in chemistry, that is part 4. The first process is Hall-Héroult process. So what is the Hall-Héroult process? So this is being used in the industrial production of aluminium. Next is Ostwald process. Ostwald process is being used in the production of nitric acid. Next is Bessemer process. Bessemer process is being used in the industrial production of steel. Next is Contact process. Contact process is being used in the production of sulfuric acid. Next is Bosch process. So Bosch process is being used for the industrial production of dihydrogen. Next is Castor process. So what is Castor process? This is being used in the production of sodium. Next is what is Nelson cell. So Nelson cell is an electrolytic cell which is used commonly in electrolytic processes like production of sodium hydroxide from brine solution. And next is Kastner-Kellner cell. So what is Kastner-Kellner cell? So it is an electrolytic cell again used in the industrially for the production of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so Nelson cell is being used in the production of sodium hydroxide from the brine solution, and Kastner-Kellner cell is being used for the production of sodium hydroxide for the industrial purpose. Next is cyanide process, which is also known as MacArthur-Forrest process. So this is being used for the extraction of gold or silver from their ores. What is Deacon's process? So this is being used for the production of chlorine gas. Next is Girdler sulfide process. So this is being used for the production of heavy water. Next is Haber process. So what is Haber process? Haber process is being used for the production of ammonia. The next process is Solvay process or ammonia soda process. So this is being used for the production of sodium carbonate. The next one is Leblanc process. Leblanc process is an early industrial process for the production of soda ash, that is sodium carbonate Na2CO3, and potash, that is K2CO3. Next is Parkes process. So this process is being used for removing silver from lead during the production of bullion. Next is cupellation process. So what is cupellation process? This is the process where ores are treated under high temperature and high control operation to separate noble metals like gold and silver from the base metals like lead, copper, zinc, etc. present in the ore or alloyed metal. So that is the cupellation process. And what is Pattinson process? This is the process of removing silver from lead. Next is Serpeks process. So this is the process of extraction of aluminium from bauxite when bauxite contains more than 10% silica as impurity. Next is Hoopes process. So this is the metallurgical process used to obtain aluminium metal of very high purity. This process was patented by William Hoopes. Next is Goldschmidt process or thermite process. So this is the process of extracting metals by reducing the oxide with aluminium powder. Mostly all metallic oxides are reducible by this method. However, the oxides of magnesium is an exception. Next is Carter process which is used for the production of basic lead carbonate. The next one is Birkeland ID process. So this is being used for the production of nitric acid, also used for the production of nitrogen based fertilizers. The next process is lead chamber process. So this is being used for the industrial production of sulfuric acid in large quantities. The next process is Pigeon process. So what is Pigeon process? So this is being used for the production of magnesium metal. Next is cyanamide process. So what is cyanamide process? So this is being used for the production of ammonia. Next is Frasch process. So what is Frasch process? So this process is used in the extraction of sulfur. The last one is Mohn process, which is also known as carbonyl process. So this is being used for the extraction of nickel. So that's it for today. So till now we discussed about various chemical processes which is being used in chemistry. Okay. So if you like this video and if you feel that this video is informative, please like it and subscribe our channel. Also please press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for all the new videos which will be uploaded in this channel. I will meet you again with another informative video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.